Hello and welcome to this English podcast for beginners. Today, we will listen to a story with a lesson, learn new words, practice shadowing, and answer easy questions. The story comes from the wisdom of the past. It is called The Lion and the Clever Rabbit. Take a breath. Let's begin the story.
Story section. Once, in a deep forest, there was a strong lion. The lion was the king of the animals. Every day, the lion hunted. He killed many animals. The animals were afraid. They came together and made a plan. They said, "O lion, you are the king. Please do not kill all of us. Every day, one animal will come to you. You will eat only that animal. Please accept this plan." The lion agreed. So the animals made a deal with the lion. But one clever rabbit had another plan.
One day, it was the rabbit's turn. A small rabbit walked slowly. He came very late to the lion. The lion was angry. "Why are you late?" the lion shouted. The rabbit said, "My king, I saw another lion in the forest. He says he is the king. He wants to fight you." The lion roared with anger. "Another lion? Show me." The rabbit is clever. He will use the lion's pride against him. The rabbit took the lion to a deep well. The rabbit said, "The other lion is inside." The lion looked into the well. He saw his own reflection in the water. The lion thought it was another lion. He roared. The reflection roared back. The lion jumped into the well and never came back. And so the clever rabbit saved all the animals in the forest. Moral of the story: the animals lived in peace. The lion was gone. The clever rabbit was the hero. The story teaches us wisdom is stronger than strength. Vocabulary section. Now, let's move to the vocabulary part. Lion, the king of animals. The lion is strong. Forest, a place with many trees. The forest is dark. afraid, feeling fear. The animals are afraid. Deal, an agreement. They made a deal. Rabbit, a small animal with long ears. The rabbit is clever. Late, not on time. The rabbit is late. Angry, very mad. The lion is angry. Shout, to say something loudly. He shouts at the rabbit. Fight, to hit or struggle. The lions want to fight. Pride, feeling strong and important. The lion has pride. Reflection, an image in water or mirror. He sees his reflection. Well, a deep hole for water. The well is deep. Jump, to move up or forward quickly. The lion jumps. Gone, not here anymore. The lion is gone. Peace, no fighting, no war. The animals live in peace. Hero, a brave person. The rabbit is a hero. Strong, powerful. The lion is strong. Clever, smart, intelligent. The rabbit is clever. Wisdom, knowledge, and good thinking. Wisdom is stronger. Strength, physical power. Strength is not enough.
Now, let's practice speaking with shadowing. Listen, then repeat after me. The lion is strong. Repeat. The lion is strong. The animals are afraid. Repeat. The animals are afraid. The rabbit is clever. Repeat. The rabbit is clever. The rabbit is late. Repeat. The rabbit is late. The lion is angry. Repeat. The lion is angry. The lion shouts. Repeat. The lion shouts. The rabbit shows a well. Repeat. The rabbit shows a well. The lion sees his reflection. Repeat. The lion sees his reflection. The lion jumps into the well. Repeat. The lion jumps into the well. Wisdom is stronger than strength. Repeat. Wisdom is stronger than strength. Now, let's check your understanding with some questions. Who is the king of the forest? The lion. Why are the animals afraid? Because the lion kills them. Who is clever? The rabbit. Where does the rabbit take the lion? To the well. What does the lion see in the water? His reflection. What is the lesson of the story? Wisdom is stronger than strength. And that is the end of today's podcast. You listened to a story, learned new words, practiced shadowing, and answered questions. Remember, stories teach us language, but also life lessons. Today's lesson is wisdom is stronger than strength. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye.